Welcome to speedearning.com. We shall discuss zinc mini in detail today. Zinc mini and lead mini. These are two scripts which move generally in a range, and after some time, means in evening timings, they are showing sudden movements. So if we are understanding these scripts well, there may be a regular profit in these scripts. So generally zinc mini or lead mini, they move in a range during the daytime. Now what is their general range of movement? There may be a 50 paisa to 1 pint movement generally. So there may be 50 paisa to 1 pint movement. Then on extreme days there may be movement of 2 to 3 points. So extreme days, out of 22 23 days, 3 to 4 days or 5 days may be extreme, and remaining 16-70 days will be in general range. So during the daytime there will be a very little move. If there is a difference of more than 0.5%, means it is more than plus 0.5%, or it is more than minus 0.5% before 12 p.m. in morning, then there will be a movement in daytime up to 1.5%, means plus 0.5% to plus 1.5%, or minus 0.5% to minus 1.5% during the daytime till 4-5 p.m. In evening there will be a dip. 6 to 7:30 there may be a dip, sudden dip. So it will come to a support level, and then it may bounce from there. So you just see the charts here. What can we do? How can we trade this? I'm showing the chart of zinc mini here. So there may be up move. You just see there was a movement before 11:30 until 12 p.m. the movement started. It was more than 0.5% down, so it went down and made a low at 2 p.m. It was 144.60, and then it bounced back from there. Now if it is maintaining below ATP, if there are more sellers, and if it is maintaining more than minus 1%, then it will go downside again. So we shall sell it again after 7:30 p.m. So there are 4 methods to trade in zinc mini. First you just notice the timing, which are the right timing to trade in this. If there is some sudden breakout in daytime, then you can go for lead mini, zinc mini trade before 2:30 p.m. If there is no breakout, you just keep watching it. You should enter in the trade at 6:54 and 7:54 p.m. If you are getting the right movement at 6:54, then you don't need to re-enter at 7:54 p.m. But if you didn't get the right movement at 6:54, then you should enter in the next time slot, that is 7:54, and till 9:30 you can wait. After that you can exit. So that is the general rule what we have been discussing in so many videos. So first method, there may be 3 to 4 methods. So first method is keep buying at CMP. You can buy at CMP. Then second and third support level. Suppose this is the chart. So there is a sell signal in this commodity. So what would I do? I am selling it here 145 and taking the stop loss of 145.25. yes, second support level, and third support level will be 146. So from the beginning I can place orders here. I am selling it 145.40, stop loss 20 paisa. I am selling again at 145.80 and stop loss 20 paisa. And I am keeping those orders even if I am not on the screen. I have invested my 40 paisa stop loss, and by the end of the day or at 9:30 p.m. I am seeing what is the results there. So there may be two chances. One, we have lose 40 paisa total stop loss in 2 times, or we may have got 1 point or 2 point profit. Then second, hedge it with next month zinc money. Buy this month zinc money and sell the next month zinc money. That is hedging with 20 paisa stop loss, and that may be at 6:54 or 7:54 p.m. Then hedge, you can hedge it with lead money. Sometimes the scene is like that. Zinc mini is comparatively stronger, there are more buyers, it is more positive, and lead mini is having less buyers and it is slightly weak in comparison to zinc mini. Then what would I do? I will buy zinc mini at this time slot and sell the lead mini and keep the stop loss of 20 to 30 paisa. And fourth method is in lead mini and zinc mini there may be sudden spikes. If you have bought or sold zinc mini or lead mini, then you should place an order there already. So that order may be 1.5 pint, 1.5. So 1.5, you just suppose you bought at 145, then you should put the order already there at 146.5. Sometimes there are sudden moves, it just made the high of 146.70 and your order traded, you got the profit, and it just came down from there 145.8. So there should be a prior placed order to book biggest profit in this scripts. But if suppose it is not going there, then we can remove that order at 146.5, and suppose it is running 145.90 before 6 p.m. So I'll book it there, wherever it is 145.9, I'll book it here, and after 6:30 or 7 p.m. dip I'll re-enter again after after watching all the market conditions. If there is a buy signal, then I'll buy for it, and if there is a sell signal, I'll sell. Okay, so sell. The thing is, fourth method, sell on picks and buy on bottoms. Suppose there is a sudden move from 145 to, it just went to 146.5. I'll suggest just sell this and keep the stop loss of 20 paisa. Within 10 minutes you may get 50 to 80 paisa profit. So sell on picks and buy on bottoms, means contrary trading, reverse trading. When it made the high, you are selling it because with minimum stop loss you can get a big profit, and when it made low, then you bought it. You just see there, it made high, you sold it here with 20 paisa stop loss. There was a big move, there was the possibility to book a big profit. When it made the bottom, when it made the low, you could have bought it. So you bought it here with 20 paisa stop loss, and again you got good profit over there. So this was the these were the details about zinc mini and lead mini. You just keep practicing this, and these are good metals to book the profit in evening. I'll again repeat some name of websites: www.lme.com, www.crbtrader.com, and www.writer.com/finance/commodities. Thank you very much. Keep watching us.